Recently, I made a project of automatic plant waterer, which is free energy, plus its self-watering schedule. This means that the plant watering device does not require electricity, but uses only solar panels and battery. This tool only works during the day to pump water, which can be channeled to the plants either by spraying, rinsing, or using sprinkler. This device does not work continuously but only at certain times. Suppose I want to water the plant for 10 minutes, stop watering for 50 minutes, goes back on and so forth. So why do I want this device to stop and go? That is because I designed it to resemble a drip irrigation system. This is the plant's most preferred method of watering. Seems like plant roots also like flowing water. That is why hydroponic systems make plants grow faster. As you can see now in the video, this device running for 10 seconds, then stop for 5 seconds, run again for 10 seconds, so on and so forth. Then when there is no light at night, this device will automatically stop. I can actually adjust this command according to my need, of course. I just need to change the program code on the microcontroller IC. So if you are interested in making this automatic plant watering device, here I have prepared the circuit schematic. I will also share the program code, free of course. Here's the schematic. The left side here is a 5-volt solar panel that directly charges the battery with 5-volt voltage through the diode. The voltage drop from 5 volt to 4.2 or 4.3 volts, which is the full voltage of 37 volt battery. So that should be safe enough. It won't damage your battery. I actually made the same schematic for LED love chaser that has been working for 3.5 years now. The machine still works and the battery is still alive. So please check this beautiful LED love here. Let's get back to the schematic. The next part is the light sensor to detect day or night using an LDR, light dependent resistor. Well, I deliberately designed it like this because I want this machine to only work during the day, while at night it turns off. So from the schematic, whether you want to make your device lights up during the day or vice versa, you want it to light up at the night, the key turns out to be very simple. You need only to switch the position of the LDR and the resistor. I have also made a video about it. Please take a look at this video. Next, during the day, the LDR will give an active signal, then activate this microcontroller IC at Mega 8. After that, this IC, which already contains the program, will run the watering schedule. Sprinkle the water for certain periods, then stop also for certain periods. That's depending on how you want it, but I already made a schedule which I think it's good enough to imitate a drip irrigation system without of course draining too much battery. So now let's simulate the circuit. This flashlight icon is representing the light density. The further to the LDR sensor means dark at night. You see here the water pump is not starting. Now when I put this flashlight closer to the light sensor, when the light is bright or sunrise in the morning, the water pump is starting to work. It is now spinning. But for how long the duration should be and when to stop, that is controlled by the program inside. Now here's the code that I wrote for watering plants. This program uses Bascom software with simple and easy to understand code. You can also see how to make beautiful running LEDs or LED chaser program using this Bascom AVR here in my previous video. Here I'm using 40 of Atmega IC as the output. The pin number 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So number 1 here is representing state of high or on. On the contrary, number 0 here is representing the state of low or off. The first command here, I want the water pump to rinse the plant for 2 minutes at 6 AM, then stop for 3,480 seconds or about 58 minutes until 7 AM. Then the second command, I want the water pump to be active only for 5 seconds, then stop for 5 minutes, because I want to keep the soil humid without over-watering it. That is like drip irrigation system works. So this command, watering for 5 seconds then stop for 5 minutes, will repeat 108 times. Why 108 times? That is around 9 hours. 5 minutes times 108 is 9 hours, right? So in total, this command will last for 10 hours, starting from 6 a.m. to 4 p.m. That's it. It's simple. I also made different schedule for this self-watering program. Here is a code. Of course, you can download both copy of the hex file that is ready to use. Download link in the description. If you want to create your own program, you can learn the basic APR programming using both Bascom or CodeVision here. So now, please visit my website, download the circuit diagram and the pre-made hex file there, and leave a comment too. Okay? That will be all. I hope you like this video. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon.